नमस्ते। आज हम बना रहे हैं ढोकला। Welcome again to Hot Puri's Kitchen Living and Gardening. Today I am sharing with you an easy snack recipe made from chickpea flour, which is quite popular all over India, but it is mainly from Gujarat. As many of you know that my channel belongs to vegan, gluten-free and nut-free recipe. Let me emphasize that today's recipe also belongs to the same category. क्योंकि ढोकला स्टीम करके बनाया जाता है तो सबसे पहले हम तैयारी करेंगे पैन्स की और अपने स्टीमर की। My first step is to grease these pans. Now we need 250 grams of chickpea flour. In order for the dhokla to come out good, we need to have a finer chickpea flour. तो अब मैं ये बेसन को अच्छे से छान लेती हूँ। Throwing this away. अब बारी है चीनी की। चीनी लेनी है हमने 20 ग्राम। Adding 20 grams of sugar. Salt according to taste. Red chili powder is optional. Little bit of turmeric, around 1/8 teaspoon. अब ये दो मेन चीज़ें हैं ढोकला बनाने के लिए। एक तो है साइट्रिक एसिड, दूसरा है खाने वाला सोडा, जिसको सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट भी बोलते हैं हम लोग। तो हमने 8 ग्राम साइट्रिक एसिड डालना है। और सोडा हमको अभी नहीं ऐड करना। एक कप तेल। Now I am going to add around 1 cup of water, that will be approximately 210 milliliter. Mixing this very well, but as you can see the batter is quite thick. We need thin batter, so I am going to add half cup of water again. So everything is ready here. Our steamer is ready, pans are ready. The last thing I am going to add is the baking soda. Around 8 grams of baking soda, which will be equal to 8 grams of citric acid. need to keep mixing this batter until the foam settles down again. This reaction of citric acid and baking soda will make the dhoklas spongy. Time to pour the batter. We have to fill the batter to the top of the pan, and lastly I'm going to pat this. And these goes into the steamer. If you don't have a steamer, take a suitably large vessel and you can cover this so that the steam doesn't escape. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes for the dhoklas to get ready in the steamers. I will utilize that time to start preparing the tempering for the dhoklas. I would normally use coriander with the stem. धनिया काट लिया, अब है बारी मिर्ची की। मिर्ची को आप चाहे लंबा काटिए या फिर गोल गोल आकार में भी काट सकते हैं। So I am done with this. Now let us prepare a unique liquid blend in which the dhoklas will be immersed. We have 2 cups of water here. To this I am going to add vinegar. You can take either vinegar or lemon juice. So I am adding vinegar around 1 cup. Sugar, salt, and chili powder. Lastly, I am going to add the green chilies and bring this to boil. Let me also check the dhokla. Still it needs some time, so let it cover. The dhokla is just about ready. Let's keep this aside and start preparing for the tempering. Adding oil. Black mustard seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Handful of curry leaves. Coriander leaves. Giving this a good mix. Salt and red pepper. Switch this off. It's done. Now you can take the dhokla out. Let us check if the dhokla is fully cooked. The fork is clean, that means the dhokla is cooked. This needs to completely cool down before we move to our next step. So friends, now I am back after a short break. Let us prepare the dhokla for serving. Take a look at this. This is so spongy. Final step is to add now the syrup and the tempering we prepared. And the tempering now. Some chopped coriander. And finally the ice. Dhokla is ready. While this is the most common form of dhokla known as Nylon dhokla, you will be amazed to know that dhokla is prepared using other ingredients as well, like lentils, flours, semolina. So stay tuned to my channel. I will be coming up with many more recipes of dhokla. See you all when I come back with my next episode. Till then, goodbye.